2027 Toyota Double Decker Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving luxury home, built for adventure and comfort on a grand scale. From the moment you see its sleek, aerodynamic pure white exterior, you realize this is a motorhome unlike any other. Its futuristic double-decker design commands attention, whether parked in a premium showroom or cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway. Panoramic windows on both decks allow you to take in the stunning American landscapes. Snow-capped Rockies, winding Appalachian roads, the deserts of Arizona, and the golden beaches of California. Every curve and line has been meticulously crafted to combine style, aerodynamics, and practicality. From the rear view, the double-decker's silhouette is instantly recognizable, with modern LED taillights and a glossy finish that reflects the surrounding environment. The upper deck extends gracefully over the lower deck, creating a spacious interior without sacrificing exterior elegance. The rear features subtle aerodynamic spoilers, dual exhaust designs, and realistic reflections that add depth and realism, perfect for cinematic shots and promotional material. As we move to the side profile, the sheer scale becomes apparent. Massive all-terrain tires support the reinforced chassis, making it capable of tackling winding mountain roads or urban streets with equal ease. The entrance steps, cleverly designed for ease and style, lead to an interior that is a testament to comfort and innovation. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The upper deck houses a master bedroom, a retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. A queen-size bed with plush linens, soft ambient LED lighting, and strategically placed storage compartments create a harmonious environment. The large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of the surroundings, whether you're parked beside a lake in Michigan or overlooking the Grand Canyon. Subtle ambient lighting complements natural light streaming in, creating an atmosphere of warmth and sophistication. Descending to the lower deck, the kitchen and living spaces demonstrate Toyota's commitment to luxury and practicality. The kitchen comes fully equipped with modern appliances, an induction stove, built-in oven, stainless steel sink, and compact refrigerator. Sleek cabinetry and premium countertops provide both aesthetics and functionality. The dining area features a foldable table and ergonomically designed chairs, ideal for enjoying meals with family or friends, whether in the open deserts of Nevada or along the coastal highways of Oregon. The living area is equally impressive, featuring plush seating and multifunctional furniture that maximizes space without compromising comfort. LED lighting is strategically installed to create a cinematic effect during nighttime, while large panoramic windows ensure daylight floods the space during the day. Every texture, from the leather upholstery to polished surfaces, has been crafted for ultra-realistic appeal and tactile luxury. The driver cabin is a showcase of modern technology and ergonomic design. Leather seats with precision stitching provide long-distance comfort, while the multifunction digital dashboard gives real-time information about vehicle performance, navigation, and safety features. The panoramic windshield offers unmatched visibility, making city navigation in New York or highway cruising across Route 66 effortless. Advanced suspension and safety systems ensure stability, even when traversing rugged mountain trails or uneven roads. The motorhome's washroom is a demonstration of compact luxury. With a modern toilet, glass-enclosed rain shower, marble countertops, built-in sink, and LED vanity mirror, it feels more like a hotel bathroom than a motorhome facility. Thoughtful lighting, textured tiling, and well-planned storage maximize comfort while maintaining elegance. The 2027 Toyota Double Decker Motorhome transforms ordinary road trips into extraordinary journeys. Whether traveling through urban cities, winding mountain roads, coastal highways, or national parks, this motorhome ensures comfort, style, and convenience at every mile. Every aspect, from photorealistic reflections on the exterior to meticulously crafted interiors, speaks to Toyota's commitment to excellence. It is more than a vehicle, it is a lifestyle statement. Families, adventure enthusiasts, and luxury travelers will find that it offers the freedom to explore the United States with unparalleled comfort, safety, and elegance. Every trip becomes memorable, every destination extraordinary, and every experience enhanced by thoughtful design, cutting-edge technology, and cinematic luxury. The 2027 Toyota Double Decker Motorhome sets a new standard for what a mobile home can be. Every road, from Route 66 to the Blue Ridge Parkway, becomes an opportunity to experience life in ultimate comfort. In conclusion, the 2027 Toyota Double Decker Motorhome is the perfect blend of innovation, luxury, and adventure. It is designed to transform how we perceive travel, making every journey memorable, every moment comfortable, and every view breathtaking. This motorhome is not merely a means of transportation. It is a statement of sophistication, freedom, and the ultimate American road trip experience.